Cherokee, rock and roll.
¡Vámonos, mi Dani! Muñequitos, vámonos tendidos, la música de la Fuerza Armada Rock en México una vez más para ti. ¿Y dónde se quedó el Kiss? Otra vez Kiss.
Everyone was counting on the 5x5, but the gate was open when the glass menagerie came alive. A singer for the Shadows played Birdie at the school, and the Red Eye were rocking, but they're breaking all around. It was a parking lot party for the local music fan.
El hijo del sabotaje, porque ellos son así. Los tremendos de la carne cruda. ¿Andan aquí?
The Bobfish broke the red kettle in two. Tom and the Cats were playing the summertime blues. Mouse in the Trap, it's a thing that just can't win. And you couldn't miss Johnny Green and the Green Men. It was a parking lot party for the local music fan.
¡Ándale, dice!
They were taking no prisoners at the Battle of the Band. Oh, Pappy was king and the Union was strong. Strip across the river where the neon shone. Sweet, sweet summer couldn't last too long. Couldn't last too long.
Para pobre, pero pobre, pero pobre. What a Kiss.
The road show played the best set I'd ever seen. And the Bass Settles had a kid barely 13. With a Fox Super Beetle and a Red Hurricane.
Sí, señor.
Sing CC right above his voice at the chain. Sounded pretty fine.